Hi guys, welcome to the PJ project. Just now I'll be sharing with you some videography hacks or tips and tricks how to shoot like a pro using slide effects or transitions with your phone and laptop. Let's go! Okay guys, first is turn your phone downwards, then start to slide it from left to right facing your laptop screen. Second step is from right to left, slide your phone sidewards and make sure you're capturing your keyboard. Third is, again, slide your phone from right to left sidewards, but take note, make an angle for you to capture half of your screen and half of your keyboard. Then lastly, at the side of your laptop, slide it from left to right by closing your laptop lid. Then that's it. Edit and then play.